So creating another structure, VK physical device features. What the fuck is happening? VK physical device features and device features. Here we are. Once we are done with this, then we'll create another structure, VK device create info, yeah, create info. Here we are. Now create info dot as type equals VK as usual, structure type, and it is device create info, right? Okay. Well, one thing I want to mention is that I'm pretty sure that you are not understanding this function like what I'm writing actually. So I'll just suggest you that follow up what I'm doing actually and write as I'm doing, and I'll just explain it in the end of this function. Well, so what do we have next? Well, we have Q create info, yeah, this one, which is ampersand Q create info. Okay, then create info dot what do we have next? Q create info count. Since we have only one Q create info, we'll just pass one. Then create info dot what do we have next? Well, we have enable extension count, enable layer count, and enable extension names. Well, we'll just pass enable extension count as, oh sorry, dot p enabled features equals ampersand device features, as we have just defined or declared over here, and create info dot features. Where are they? Oh, there are. Then enable extension names and enable layer count. We'll just enable extension count as equal to 0, and create info dot enable layer count is equal to 0, and create info dot what are we next left with? Enable extension names and enable layer names. So just pass as null pointer. I'm pretty sure info dot enable layer names as null pointer. And once this is done, now we can successfully create our device. So result equals vk, sorry, vk create device. Now, here's a short hint that I want to give you. Well, whenever the V starts from a capital V, it is actually a structure. In the Vulkan API, you'll notice that whenever a member starts from a capital V, it means it's a structure. When it starts from a small v, it is actually a function. So let's write the parameters, which are physical device, obviously, physical device, and device create.